Most home service business owners pick a CRM based on hype, not reality. And that mistake usually shows up later as missed jobs, messy scheduling, and lost revenue. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best CRM is not the one with the most features. It is the one that actually fits your daily workflow without slowing your team down. In this video, we are breaking down the top 5 CRMs for home service businesses in 2026, what each one is best at, and who should avoid them. Let's get straight into it. At number 5, we start with Mark8, known as Mark8. This is a lightweight CRM built for small service businesses like cleaning, pressure washing, and solo contractors. It is simple, affordable, and easy to learn. If you are just starting out and want basic scheduling, invoices and customer tracking, Mark8 gets the job done. But here's the problem. Once your business grows, it can feel limited in automation and reporting. It is great for beginners, not long-term scaling. At number 4, we have Housecall Pro, known as Housecall Pro DE. This is one of the most popular CRMs in home services. It offers strong scheduling, dispatching, payments, and customer communication tools. For a business like Jake's HVAC company with a growing team, this feels like a big upgrade over spreadsheets. Now here's where it gets interesting. Housecall Pro is very strong in usability, but advanced customization can feel limited if you run complex workflows or large commercial operations. At number 3, we have Jobber, known as Jobber. Jobber is built for simplicity and clean job management. It works extremely well for small to mid-sized home service businesses that want fast scheduling, quoting, and invoicing without a steep learning curve. For someone like Alex running a small plumbing or cleaning business, Jobber makes the day feel organized within hours of setup. But here's the trade-off. As you scale, you may notice limitations in deep reporting and advanced job costing compared to more enterprise-level tools. At number 2, we have Workiz, known as Workiz. Workiz is built for service businesses that rely heavily on phone calls, dispatching, and fast-moving jobs. It is especially strong for locksmiths, junk removal, and emergency services. Now here's where it gets interesting. Workiz includes built-in call tracking and automation features that help you convert more leads into jobs. But it can feel slightly more complex for teams that want a super simple interface. And finally at number 1, we have Service Edition, known as Service Edition. This is the heavyweight option for large home service companies. It offers advanced scheduling, deep reporting, marketing tools, inventory tracking, and full operational control. For big HVAC or plumbing companies managing multiple trucks and high-volume jobs, Service Edition is often the go-to choice. But here's the honest downside. It is expensive and can be overwhelming for small businesses. So, here is the simple breakdown. If you are just starting out, Mark8 is a budget-friendly option. If you want balance and ease of use, Housecall Pro and Jobber are strong mid-level choices. If you need high call volume and dispatch power, Workiz stands out. And if you are running a large operation and want full control, Service Edition leads the market. The key takeaway is this. The best CRM is not about popularity. It is about matching your business size, workflow complexity, and growth stage. If you choose correctly, your business feels organized and scalable. If you choose wrong, you end up fighting your software every single day. If this ranking helped you understand the best CRM for your home service business in 2026, make sure to like, comment with your business type, and subscribe for more real-world software breakdowns that help you make smarter decisions.